What is this bird doing? How about this monkey? Who even thought of this? After watching this video, you'll see animals are much smarter than we thought. This Doberman not only has wits, but also a kind heart. And this pet snake completed its task to perfection. And came back to the owner. And this clever orca set up a trap for birds by holding a fish in its mouth. And here's the bird that fell for it. Check out the precision with which this crow is using a tool to get its prey. And this monkey is flying a drone, while many people can't even open the door. And this savvy dog could save its friend using a leash. And this clever bird knows where to get some money. Check out how much it already fetched. I wonder what the legality of it is. And this orangutan knows how to style his accessories.
It may be quite simple, but
Watch what this rat does to escape the cat. And this rat did the exact same thing, escaping a human. Don't be surprised. That's just a monkey browsing Instagram. Have you ever seen a horse that can open a tap?
Why are you turning that eye?
What about a sheep? And this dog is the best gardening assistant. If you ever doubted chicken's intelligence, here you go. And this turkey blocked the traffic to allow his herd to cross the road. He waited until the end and went last. And this is just an ordinary dog who cares that it buys produce, pays for groceries, takes the change, and goes home to cook dinner. This is still the same dog. I don't think it likes the greens. Probably tries to please the owner. And this pig knows how to lead the ball through obstacles and score goals. It may not have hands or fingers, but it does have a brain. Check out how cleverly this squirrel escaped the hawk.
Bonnie!
This little monkey just handed her an ignition key. When you're so smart, you can take a taxi instead of flying.
Where'd you come from?
And this dog managed to escape a trap thanks to its wit. And this chipmunk found a great place to hide. There are two types of dogs in the world. Which one of them is smarter? Tell us in the comments. This clever dog taught its owner to throw from a close distance. And this monkey found a broom that was left behind by a zoo worker. And this dog doesn't need walking to do the deed. And this girl pretended to cry. Check out the reaction of her horse. No, this is not an invitation to Hogwarts, just a clever Russian owl who brought the electricity bill. Is there anything this parrot cannot do? Come on, the poll, this was too cool. If all people were as smart as this deer, there wouldn't be any road accidents involving pedestrians. This dolphin rescued a dog that fell behind a yacht and ended up in open waters. And here, a dog is helping its owner to push the car during a flood. And this crocodile understands that he shouldn't harm the person that's feeding him. And this orangutan became a wonderful nanny to tiger cubs. This dog helps the driver to park the car. I wouldn't be surprised if the driver were also a dog. This knighted penguin was promoted to brigadier. He salutes and gets sworn in. And this kangaroo is not only a great fighter, he's a great negotiator too. Check out this cutie eating peanut butter, holding a spoon in its paws. This crow is so clever. It understands how to raise the water level in the middle beaker connected to the red one to get food. It tries the blue beaker first, but seeing that nothing happens, the crow doesn't make the same mistake again. Have you ever seen rays dancing? And this parakeet learned to skateboard better than me. It started with small ramps and worked its way up to a launch ramp. Turns out turtles understand everything very well, and just watch how much they enjoy themselves. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments which moment surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Best of luck!